Hi guys, I bought these nail clippers. Let's check them out and see what they look like. All right, they got a cool little design here. Let's see. They're all metal construction. So all you got to do is open them up. There's a little tab you push over and boom, now you got nail clippers. They work real good. So if you guys are in the market for some nail clippers, go ahead and get this one. So if you wanted to put a little string on it and put it around your keys or whatever, it's got that little hole. It's all metal construction, so it's gonna last a long time. So if you guys are in the market for some nail clippers, go ahead and get these.